Kokedama or Japanese moss ball can be a great addition to your garden. Let's learn how to make this kokedama. You will need moss. You can find moss at any damp place. I found moss at the base of my pre-existing plants. You have to gently scrape the moss out. They look something like this. You'll also need a plant sapling, a thin net-like piece of cloth. I have taken gauze over here, a green colored yarn, and also a yarn to suspend it, which is optional. You'll also need soil and coco peat. To make the kokedama, you have to mix the soil and coco peat in equal ratio, and adding some water to this mixture, you have to knead this mixture to form a ball-like structure. After you are done, you'll have to split the ball into half and then place the plant sapling right in the middle of the two halves and join the two halves back together to form the ball again. The base of the kokedama is now ready. The next step will be to cover the kokedama with the cloth piece entirely. You have to make sure that the mud structure gets entirely covered by the net-like clothing. And once you are done, you will have to secure the net-like clothing with. Finally, you have to take small chunks of the moss you have extracted and covering sections of the mud ball, you have to secure the moss in place using the green colored yarn. This will help to hold the moss in place, otherwise the moss will fall off. So you have to repeat the process until you have covered the entire ball with the moss. After you are done, your kokedama will look like this. You can keep the kokedama like this. You can either suspend your kokedama using a jute yarn from a suspension point. You just have to tie the jute yarn around the ball and hang it from a sturdy suspension point like I have done over here. Or you can simply place the moss ball or your kokedama on a plate and display it at the desired spot. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.